Oh, hi. I don't have too much time to talk right now. I went through the woods right after the last video. Hell, 5 of them damn zombies came out. Boom! Came after me. Hell, they heard something. Nothing. Alright, listen. This zombie fighting business is not a joke. I don't know what the hell's happening. I think some scientists got drunk in the lab or something and started a virus, you know. I don't know. You ever seen that movie I Am Legend? That's not what I'm referring to, but close enough. So far, haven't gotten any activity yet, but you know, we're hoping to get us some. Let me put fire on my gun real quick. Alright, just shoot straight. Alright. Sit you down right here on this mound at the range here. Okay? You watch me. Alright. Lay down. Just stay there. That good so far. Look out! Yeah. Oh. Damn. Bastard. Hold on. Cockbag. Oh. Score total for 5 kills, so they've included one in the last video. Shit. Fella right there didn't make it. Ain't no doubt about that. They didn't make it from the zombie attack or from my gun and my knife and my bullets. Damn. This is Sparky signing off. Hey, keep a loaded gun under your bed or on your dresser at night. You never know when you're gonna need it. Sparky signing off. Out.